We are back again live at the channel of JW Solar USA. Folks, this is what I've been doing here. You see the GFCI ground fault protector or protection you guys seen yesterday. I thought about putting it here, but I decided not to, because if I messed up with this cover, I'm gonna be in so much trouble that I'm not gonna have a replacement easily, and I don't have a 3D printer for me to do all this work, and created another printer for myself. What I did, I went to the store. If you just watched the video I just posted there, and before this one, and you guys can see what I did with the GFCI breaker box I created here. Nice professional look. So it's gonna be right there. That's I'm gonna be plugging my wire to output for this one, since this one is gonna be powered right away from the GFCI breaker right here. And the reason why I didn't do this, let me backtrack. I can cut this thing all the way around by for not doing any mistake, because the problem is I don't have the tool to do that. I'm not just gonna buy a tool to do that just for that day, and I'm not gonna ever able to use it. It's nice to get tools. I have plenty of tools. I don't need any other extra. So I decided to go this route, get my box all built and wired it up, and get my GFCI breaker and everything incorporated. I got my Royal Excellent cable, which is 14.3. If you can see right here, that's why I left it this way display. You can know the type of wire you're going to be dealing with here, so you know the kind of power you're going to be pulling from this wire. Being said that, guys, this is going to be an awesome system. Trust me, because you guys have seen this guy in action, and you guys have seen a series of video into this. Look at this, guys. This is just incredible. This is a Magnum MMS-1012, 1000 watt, 12 volt. 1000 watt, 12 volt is the same model, and I have the MER E50 to control this one, and this one I can able just to swap the wire, take it out from this side right there, and plug it into this other side right here and program it as well. But I can able to incorporate another remote to have two of them sit simultaneously, so that I can able to run this system independently. It's a lot of money on just on this 12 volt. So what you guys seen here, I decided to get there's a vent underneath there and a vent underneath there, because that's where the transformer is. The transformer is on this side. It get hot. There is a fan on this side right here to dissipate the heat. And you can see the model. This is a 2015 model, and this is a 2016 model. So it's just a year apart. Okay, it's just a year apart. This is the first quarter, and here is the second quarter of the 2015, and here is the first quarter 2018. Okay, that's a 2018 year. That's a 15. These are 18. So these are recent models here. So guys, what I'm gonna be doing here is just a continuation how we get about the topic we were talking about yesterday. I'm gonna be connecting this wire right here. This wire is gonna be going right here and tied to this thing, and we can have our AC in and AC out. And folks, trust me, this is gonna be exciting. I already got my wire right here that looks just like this one here, just like this one for charging right there. That was the outlet right here. This is gonna be, that's the inlet, and this is the outlet that's gonna be taking the power to this GFCI breaker protector, ground fault protector, and this one is gonna be powering right from here. I want to run this system simultaneously. It might be this remote's gonna be another one here, who knows. And I'm gonna incorporate with something here which we call AGS, automatic generator start. So it's gonna be awesome. and or maybe I'm gonna put a BMK, which is a battery monitor kit that I'm gonna incorporate with this. Who knows? Just stay tuned. Like I said, this 12-volt system is gonna be having a lot of attention. He's gonna be having a lot of video series coming live from this channel. And stay tuned with me live at JW Solar USA, because we're going to be giving you all the best and latest about 12-volt system. We've done the 24-volt system. We've done a 48-volt system. And now we are into lithium ion batteries, or lithium ion phosphate, whatever you call them. But we are into the lithium world, and which is we're going to be doing, incorporate lithiums into this one. But this both inverter is going to be running on a one battery bank, which is going to be a lithium battery. I'm not going to tell you right now what kind of batteries I'm using there. They're already in the process. I'm going to be receiving them very soon, and you guys will see what I'm talking about here. Live from the channel, JW Solar USA. And this is what I did. I just use I don't know how you call it. I call it a fastener to just fasten that bad boy. I got a bunch of them there, but I don't want them to be all the way down. It's going to be really tacky because of the wood. It's a fine wood. I messed it up here a little bit, but it's okay. So I want this one. It's going to take like a 45. I think I have to move this. I hate to do that. I would have think earlier, but this one is going to flush on the wall, and I want it just to be something like this, and it's going to get right in there. So I don't think I'm going to mess with it. I would probably leave it in this angle. I was going to bring it down here so that I can take a turn right here. Who knows? We might probably do that. But see all the scratch I started putting into all this fine wood. Stay tuned for this. This video not going to be long, and I'm going to be showing you the product, how I'm going to be wiring this system live from the command center, JW Solar USA, live in Minnesota. If you haven't been a subscriber, please subscribe and push the like button so that anytime I'm hitting on videos, I'm producing videos, and you're going to know that I'm on business here. So this is a project I'm going to wrap up very soon, and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, this is the complete version of the system. I got this one all done, and I'm going to close all the breaker outlets. I already wired the system here. Sorry I didn't get you guys to see all that. The neutral, which is the white that feeds in from this, which is the the output, ties to the output of the of this. Let me show you from the other inverter. See that? Black, which is the AC out in, which is this one here, and the one that came with it is a 18 gauge, folks. That's all it is. It's just a little wire, and you see the white is the neutral in. It's already here, tied up here, and the green, it has the bonding ground in neutral. That's this one here. And you guys see I have the AC out, which is the white and black strip on it. You can see the white and black. That's a neutral out. And I have the white and the black, which gonna be the hot out. So this is red, is the hot out. So right now the inverter is powered up with a lithium batteries from the generator right here, which I'm still trying to complete this entire process for this generator, and still have to work on this guy here, get it all programmed. So let's turn the inverter on and see what's going on here. We can turn it through the remote right there, or we can turn it right from here. Okay, so let's see. We can power it up. There you go. It's powered. It's a blinking light right here. It's a positive sign. My probe's already in there on the GFCI outlet I just built. And let's come back here to the meter and see if we're gonna be having our AC 120 or 119 power. We put it into the AC. Voila. 119.5. Clean frequency, clean AC. So right there, all the wiring. This one is open, so I'm going to be closing that. I'm going to be closing this one, and we have the AC out right there. Maybe we're going to test a light or bulb on that side. Stay tuned. Here's the system, guys. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to put a lamp into this and test it and see how everything goes and see the power we're getting. You guys already seen it on the meter. So we're gonna test this lamp right here and see, just a night lamp, and see how it's gonna work. Okay, there we go. It's power in the house. See that? There's power in the house. So it's working. My work is well accomplished. Yeah, guys. And let's test the GFCI breaker if it's gonna work by taking these probes out, and let's fire up this guy. Here we go. It's a standby red light indicator. Illuminate tells you the GFCI breaker has already tripped. So by resetting it, pressing the other button here, there's power in the house. See that? So this completes our installation live here at the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. And what I'm going to do, let's test the AC part if we're going to be able to charge the batteries. Stay tuned for that. All right, bringing you back to our AC line here. This is the one I just wired. If you can see the wire right there, that goes to the last inverter. If we plug it right here, or let's turn the power on and see whatever power we're gonna be power. So 120, that's from the other inverter in the house, power in the house. And let's see and put it onto watt. Okay, it's on watt. Let's plug this guy in and see what power, if the inverter is gonna take it. And see, it's flashing right here. It tells you it's about to connect. There we go. We get a connection. I heard the relay. And let's see the power we're going to be bringing in. The amp's going to be shooting pretty soon. Just to tell you guys, the lamp is powered to over there on the GFCI breaker I just installed. And let's see the power that we're going to be bringing into charge. Now you see there's a solid light there. The voltage is sitting at 15.7 volt. It takes some time for the connection to start. It's syncing, that's the word, before it syncs. And it's coming, just because sometimes again maybe the batteries are full, but anyway, it's gonna do it. Alright guys, unfortunately the batteries are all charged, so it doesn't need anything to charge the batteries. But look at that, these are all some of the features that shows it can tell you the inverter make and model. Okay, this is kind of cool. Shows you the temperature, 25 degrees C at 77. The batteries are 25 degrees C with 77 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit, sorry. And the transformer, and it has the MOSFET, and nothing else connected with automatic generators start. Okay, we can check the revision here. Inverter is 1.6, remote is 2.8. Okay, no battery monitor kit has been connected or router anything. So guys, this is pretty interesting, and I hope you find this really helpful with all this install. I hope everything makes sense to you. We'll drop the contrast. See, now we can see better at 60 and 50, or we can go more brighter than that, and keeps us right there. It's just trickle charge. Is not bringing that much amp unless we draw the batteries down before you're gonna see the charge. Stay tuned. Let's put some load into this guy and see. We're using electric iron that's approximately taking, if you can see it, just spill. Okay, it's a 1200 watt electric iron. So let's see, we can plug it right here and see what it's gonna give us. And just remember, the inverter is 1000 watt, but this thing can surge more than that. I think it's for 5 seconds. Oh, okay, there we go.